Hello everyone, welcome back to another episode from How to Fix Online. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix Spotify black screen issue. If you're experiencing black screen issue on your Spotify for your iPhone, then you can follow these quick steps to troubleshoot the issue. First, force quit Spotify application. Swipe up from the bottom of your screen and this will show you your Spotify app card. Simply push off the application upwards and then this will force quit Spotify application. Now go back to your app list and reopen Spotify application and check if your black screen issue is resolved. If the problem still persists, the next thing to do is to restart your iPhone. Press and hold the power button until the slider appears and then slide the power button at the top to switch off your iPhone. Wait for a couple of seconds and press and hold the power button. Now reboot your iPhone and then sometimes simple issue can be resolved by restarting your iPhone. If this still doesn't help you, the next thing to do is to look for the Spotify application update. Open up your app store from the app drawer and then go to the search box and type in Spotify. Once you search for your application, look if there is an update button available on this page. If you see an update button, tap on it to download the latest version of Spotify. Once you are done with the update, you might be able to fix your issue, but if it still does not show any progress, then check for your iOS updates as well. Make sure that your iPhone is running on the latest version of iOS. Simply go and open up Settings app from the app drawer and then scroll down and tap on General. Tap on the Software Update button in the General tab and then look for an update for your iOS. If there is an update available, you'll be able to see it right here on this page. If there is a no, if you've already updated your iOS, then it'll show you this interface where it says iOS is up to date. Once you go ahead and update to the latest software, then you might be able to fix the issue. Simply go ahead and launch open Spotify application and see if that works. If none of the above steps worked, you can try uninstalling and reinstalling the Spotify app, which can help if there is a corrupted installation or data causing the issue. Those were some of the fixes you could try out and follow if you're going through Spotify black screen issue on your iPhone. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I'll see you again in the next video. Goodbye till then.